Previously on Naraji's Nook, I showed you 5 different tablescape ideas and I hope you did learn from it. Today's video, I will be transforming the wall behind my dining area to a giant mirror wall. So stick with me, show reel. Hello and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I have missed you guys. I know I've been away because life has been lifing, guys. However, I'm here now, thank goodness, and thank God for health. And so I will be showing you how I will be transforming this wall. This is around my dining area, and I will be using some IKEA mirrors to transform this into a giant mirror wall. So this is my living room before. I have to switch the curtains, the pillows, just a lot. And so I got these mirrors from IKEA. They're called Lots, and they go for $9.99 in the States and $11.99 in Canada. So I'll be using them. They're not beveled mirrors. You could use beveled mirrors for this, but they're way more expensive. Yeah, so those are way more expensive, and this one is somewhere in the middle. And there are also way cheaper options on Amazon, which are acrylic mirrors that you can use for this. I have that in my in the description box on the Amazon storefront, so you could check that out. Well, let's get into it, right? Okay, so first things first, to get started, I decided to use some moldings to create a frame around the wall before putting on my mirrors. So I got my husband and my brother-in-law to help me out with this. Okay, I needed some manpower, guys. So yes, so here they are helping me to put on the molding on the wall before I would get on with the mirror wall. To do this, we use some liquid nails and also some very small nails to actually put them up, because you need to have something holding them down while it dries out. And once it cures, it is there forever. So I'll be using this Omni grip from Home Depot as well to actually put on the mirrors. This is used for tiling, and also you can use them for mirrors if you're thinking of applying the mirrors as tiles like I am doing. This is a very recommended product, because this will hold this in place forever. So I will go ahead and start putting on my mirrors, and so just watch as I do this. So while applying this, of course, you're going to be fingerprints and dirt on the mirrors. Don't worry about it, because you're going to clean that right after you're done with your project. In my case, I'm also putting the mirrors very regularly, like straight down, no kind of style or anything. I just wanted them to be plain, because my living room idea, or the idea I have for my living room, is just simple, stylish, and glam. So I'm just going to be putting it simple, straight down, no styles. And also because I did not want to go through the hassle of having to cut too many mirrors, because at some point I will be cutting some of the mirrors, as you would see, because the bottom part of my wall and at the end, the far end of the wall, you can see cannot take the full square 12 by 12 mirror. So this is a 12 by 12 mirror, 20 centimeters by 20 centimeters. Okay, so that is how it looked like when I was done with putting the full mirrors. So that first part was pretty much easy, putting on the square full 12 by 12 mirrors. However, the areas now that you can see that is not complete, I will need to cut the mirrors in order to actually fit them into those squares. And also that would include the areas where we have the light switch and the plug-in. Okay, so I decided to clean it up first. We were doing this at nighttime, as you can see. So I decided to clean this up over the night, and then the next day I decided to complete that. So to cut the mirrors, we used this glass cutter that I got from Amazon. It is pretty easy to use. No, correction, it wasn't pretty easy to use, okay? It took us a while to get a grasp of it, but I think some people find it easy. Anyways, I used my acrylic marker to mark the measurements and then went ahead to cut the glass. You have to apply pressure and then you can then go ahead to cut it out, basically. So we also had to cut around the light switch area very differently because, of course, the light switch. I wish it wasn't there, but well, here it is, staring at me in the face. Anyway, so we went ahead and completed the remaining areas, and pardon my whole setup in the background. We were setting up for a surprise birthday party for a special person, so that's why you'll see that in the video. Of course, my mirrors are going to be betraying me now going forward, I guess. Anyways, so well, we had so much fun doing this, and I'm more than excited to show you guys the final reveal. So this is how it looks like with everything all put together. To say I loved how this turned out would be an understatement, guys. These just added the size of my living room. That is one thing I love about mirrors. Just a quick refresher, this is the before and this is what it looks like after. And it brought so much light into my living room space, and this was what I was going for. So I am more than pleased with how this turned out. Okay, so yeah. Well, I would definitely love to get your thoughts about this mirror wall, this giant mirror wall, if this is something you will go for in your space. And I would love to know that in the comment section below. And also, of course, if you've watched right up to this point, I would love it if you can comment mirror wall in the comment section and show your girls some love. My husband was very pleased with how this also turned out, and even though I still have quite a lot to do in this living room space, I am already really pleased with how the projects that I have done on there so far is going. Okay, I changed the curtains, the furniture, just about everything, and definitely will be changing that chandelier. So yeah, if you do notice the area around the light switch, there's still a little square area that I didn't complete yet before taking this video. I was too excited, so that is now completed, but I just needed to complete this video, so I went ahead and took an after picture and video for you guys. Okay, but in coming videos you're definitely going to see the finished work with that square area fully covered. Okay, that will be it for today's video, guys. So if you did enjoy this video, I would love it if you can hit that like button and also hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you do not miss a thing, and also so that you can stay in tune and in line with all the makeover and transformation videos I have planned for you guys, and as well as some interesting DIYs which I have to do for this living room. Okay, so stick around. That said, always remember to be your fun self no matter what life throws at you. Thank you and have a blessed day.